Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to transfer data from an iPhone to Android wirelessly and seamlessly in iOS 26.3 or later. The new transfer tool allows you to place your iPhone next to an Android device to initiate a transfer process seamlessly. With the two smartphones connected, you can easily transfer your photos, messages, notes, apps, passwords, phone numbers, and more. On top of all, this latest data transfer method doesn't require you to download and use a separate app, making the process incredibly simple and straightforward. That said, let's get started. Note that transferring data from an iPhone to an Android device wirelessly requires both devices to have the latest software and be connected to Wi-Fi with Bluetooth enabled. And once you have taken up this important requirement, open the Settings app. And then you have to choose the General option. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on Transfer to Android option at the bottom. Then you have to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the data transfer process, and that's about it. Keep in mind that health data, devices paired with Bluetooth, and protected items like lock notes will not be transferred over to the new device. It's also worth pointing out that the Google had also introduced a similar feature for transferring data from an Android to an iPhone, so it's a two-way process between the platforms. From a user perspective, it's a welcome addition as it makes switching from iPhone to Android or vice versa a pretty hassle-free affair, and that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily transfer data from an iPhone to Android wirelessly and seamlessly. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.